So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install and use Discord on Windows. So first of all, open the browser on your Windows PC. Now once your browser opens up, here search for Discord and press enter. Now open the first link that appears. Now on this page, scroll down and here click on download for Windows. Now as you can see here, Discord is being downloaded. Wait for a few seconds. And now the setup is downloaded. Click on it. And this will start the installation process. Wait until the process is completed. And now this will ask you to sign into your account. You can do this to the phone number and the password or by using this QR code. So let me enter my email. Once you enter your email and password, click on login. Now this shows the captcha. Verify it. Now this says new login location detected. So open the browser. Now here open Gmail. Now here on the top you will see this link from Discord. Open it. Now here scroll down and click on verify login. After this open Discord again. Now here click on login again. And once you do this, it will log in to Discord account. And now you can use Discord on your Windows PC.